Hi guys! What is up? And welcome back to my channel. We are livelier and more energetic for the second episode because the last one, para akong patay, para akong walang buhay. So, babawi tayo ngayong episode na to. Sit back and relax because for today's video, I'm gonna be talking about a bit of myself. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below and let's go! So, basics first. I am Bri Flores and I'm currently years old. Sobrang bata. I am working in the dental field. I am a dentist. I passed the board exam 2022. It's almost 3 years that I've been working as a dentist. And it's cool. It's fun. It's my dream. Bago ko pa to nakuha, sobrang tagal, sobrang daming challenges. I'm happy that I am able to do what I studied. And for those who will be watching my video for the first time, I wanted you guys to know me the same way that my friends and the one who already knows me. Most of my friends knew me as the funny guy. Nakakatawa daw ako pagkasama ako kasi dami kong entry. They also knew me sa lahat ng mga weirdness ko, quirks ko, hobbies ko, yung passion ko. The first thing you should know about me is I'm tall. I'm 6 foot tall. So everyone's shorter. I'm just kidding. Pag may nakakasama akong like kasing tangkad ko or mas matangkad sa akin, which is very rare, dun ko na-feel na parang, oh, this is how my friends felt when I was with them. 3 things that you should also know about me is I don't eat cheese and I don't drink milk. Kapag ang itsura nila ay cheese, this, and milk. So, syempre, nung bata tayo, we need to drink milk to be stronger, to have healthy bones. When nag-start na ako magkaroon ng isip, parang ma-realize yung mga bagay-bagay, magkaroon ng likes and dislikes, isa sa pinakauna kong inayawan yung gatas. My mom tried a lot of things for me to drink milk. At ang nag-work lang is yung gatas haluan ng Milo so it won't taste like milk. With cheese naman, as long as it's not block of cheese or melted cheese, nakita mong cheese talaga na minelt, okay lang. Like, cheese flavored chips, okay lang yun. Yung melted cheese sa pizza, okay lang siya kasi hindi ko nakita kung paano siya minelt. Pero yung cheese sa samgyup, yung sa tabihan, so kita ko kasi siya eh. So, hindi ko ma-explain, but gusto ng cheese. I know that a lot of you would disagree na hindi masarap ang cheese. Sasabihin nyo masarap siya. Hey, we are all different. Pangalawa is, this is already my second life. Noong 3 years old ako, we had an accident, car accident. Out of all the passengers, I was the one who's like fatal, about to die. God has different plans. And also, I'm a fighter. I think I fought through it. That's why I'm still here. But I think kung hindi nangyari yun, mas matalino ako, cum laude ako. Trivia. It happened like on a Black Saturday. Every time na mag-Holy Week, hindi ako pwedeng lumabas ng Black Saturday as a precaution because it happened that day. So, more like of a trauma. It left a scar in my head. Pag binuklat natin to, meron dyan parang shape ng Palawan. So, wala siyang hair. Basically, empanot. But, face value, okay na yan. So, takluban na natin siya ng hair para hindi siya makita. Like I said, I'm tall, so no one sees my top of head. Hindi nila masyado nakikita, pero it's not an insecurity because way back nung bata pa ako, I wasn't bullied. Hindi ako na-bully because, anong tawag sa Batangas? May poknat. May poknat ako. Thinking about it ngayon, siguro kaya hindi ako nabully kasi ang tangkad ko hindi nila makita na may poknat ako. So third, like I said, ano ba to sa Batangas? So I'm from Batangas. I'm a Batangueño. I'm from the beautiful city of Batangas City. It's a small town. The Batangas province is big. but it's a small town, the Batangas City itself. Maliit lang siya. There's very limited activity and things to do in the city. Pero when you go outside of the city, there's the beaches, there's the other municipalities around Batangas City. But in Batangas City, there's my school. I graduated from Lyceum of the Philippines University, Batangas. So I graduated dentistry there. Even though I'm a dentist, I figured out that I am not a routinary person. I cannot do the same routine like every day. Ganitong oras, ito yung gagawin. Tapos ito, uuwi, tutulog, pasok ulit kinabukasan. I cannot do that. I am more of a random person. I like a schedule na hindi ko alam kung ano yung gagawin ko. Nagsisingit ako ng passion ko. I started doing theater. I would like to call myself a theater actor, even though I'm not active in the theater now. I started doing theater way back grade 5 of elementary. Shout out to St. Bridget College Performing Arts Office. And then, going to college, I'm fortunate that my school has an active theater guild. I was able to do theater for 4 years. That was the time that I realized that I am capable of more. I became lead of those plays. And then, I graduated from college. I still tried to do performing. I did Nang Lumabnawang Lon by the Karibok Collective. Masaya yun. Parang after college, naghahanap ako ng outlet for art. It was good. But still, I tried to look for an outlet for a long time with this passion. Ang hirap na hindi natin nagagawa yung gusto ng heart natin. That's when I decided to just do everything that I need to do and go back to it. Sabi ko, kailangan ko pumasa ng boards, kailangan ko mag-review, kailangan kong gawin tong lahat ng to before I can go back. So, need ko siyang gawin. So, ginawa ko lahat yun. And then, last year, I did the workshop with PETA, the Philippine Educational Theater Association. I did a workshop with them, the Creative Musical Theater. It was awesome. It was the thing I needed the most. Na-miss ko ng sobra yung teatro. So, before entering PETA, I tried to audition for a lot of theater productions here in Manila. Mga major theater productions. Just being in the audition is already a win for me on going back. Kinakabahan pa rin ako. Nakakaba pa rin talaga siya. I'm happy na I am able to do those things kasi sa sobrang busy ng mga tao ngayon, kahit ako ang busy ko, I make a lot of time pa din to do these things. So, I'm looking forward na may ma-vlog ako in the future na doing a major theater production here in Manila. So, watch out for that. We'll try our best to be included and to pass and to be worthy of it. I also like to travel. It brings me this unexplainable joy. Siguro, if I were to compare, yung joy ko whenever I go to a place na hindi ko alam, kahit malapit lang siya, is the same joy as punta ako ng Hong Kong, punta ako ng Thailand, punta ako ng Vietnam. Iba yung joy ng traveling. So, medyo nag-dedicate ako ng sarili ko into traveling. We'll do a lot of travels. Hopefully this year, so that I can vlog it and I can show you what I do in a travel. Most of the time, I disconnect with a lot of things because I wanted to enjoy my time being away from home. Yeah, I love to travel. Siguro, there's a lot of things that I could share with you guys for you to know me more. Pero I think I'll let that flow freely sa panonood nyo guys sa akin. Mas makikilala nyo pa ako sa panonood nyo ng mga future vlogs ko. I am happy na somehow I shared the most interesting stuff about me ngayon sa inyo. We'll do a lot of future videos na would still introduce me sa inyo sa mga bagay na hindi ko nasabi ngayon kasi feeling ko aabutin tayo ng one day. Feeling ko aabutin tayo ng one day kapag sinabi ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang bagay na mga maliliit na bagay. Mukhang magtatagal tayo. And to wrap it up for this self-introduction video, I want to thank you guys for being here ngayong second episode. Ibig sabihin, inabangan nyo to. O kaya, siguro napilitan lang kayo. O kaya, love nyo lang talaga ako kaya pinanood nyo to. Pero still, I am thankful na you guys are still here ngayong second episode. Abangan niyo yung third episode. Excited ako para sa third episode because I did something when I talked about investment part on vlogging. I bought something. So, abangan niyo yan sa third episode natin. I will talk about that. And also, meron na rin tayong episode 4. So, watch out for that. So, if you guys have enjoyed watching this video and want to share something about yourself as well, I'm here to read all your comments down below. Just leave a like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on my social medias. On Facebook, I am Bri Flores. And also on my Instagram, TikTok, Bri Flores DMD. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video of getting to know me. Please feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll be seeing you guys on the third episode. Watch out for that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Why do you always do that? What is up, and welcome back to my channel.